Ever been on an incredible trip, soaking in the sights, living your best life, when suddenly, ping, a notification from your bank pops up, and your heart sinks? Is it fraud? Did you get double charged? Or worse, did they block your card because they thought you were in two places at once? It's that familiar travel anxiety that can really put a damper on your wanderlust. But what if I told you there's a way to travel with complete financial peace of mind, knowing that your bank isn't just keeping an eye on your money, but actively helping you manage it, even across continents? What if those pings weren't causes for alarm, but rather helpful updates, giving you real-time insights into your spending, exchange rates, and even acting as a personal finance tracker for your entire trip? Well, that's exactly what Monzo offers, and in this comprehensive video, we're diving deep into how to get the most out of Monzo's incredible travel notifications. Forget the old days of calling your bank to let them know you're going abroad. Those days are thankfully long gone, especially with a forward-thinking, digital-first bank like Monzo. They've built their entire system around making your money management seamless, no matter where you are in the world. So, let's peel back the layers and discover how Monzo revolutionizes travel spending, from those initial excited taps on your phone as you book your flights, to the moment you step back onto home soil, full of memories and, hopefully, still with some money left in your account. First things first, the fundamental principle that sets Monzo apart when it comes to travel. You don't need to tell Monzo you're going abroad. Seriously. Let that sink in for a moment. No more logging into online banking, navigating cumbersome menus, or waiting on hold just to inform them of your travel dates. Monzo is designed to be smart. When you make your first transaction in a new country, Monzo's intelligent systems automatically recognize your location and adjust. It's like your bank account has its own passport, stamped and ready for adventure right along with you. This is a game changer for spontaneous trips or last-minute getaways. You can literally book a flight and head straight to the airport, knowing your Monzo card will just work. But it's not just about not needing to inform them. It's about what happens when you spend. This is where Monzo's travel notifications truly shine. Instant transaction notifications, your real-time spending diary. The cornerstone of Monzo's travel experience is its instant transaction notifications. The moment you use your Monzo card, whether it's for a coffee in Rome, a souvenir in Tokyo, or a taxi in New York, you get a push notification on your phone. This isn't just a generic transaction-made alert. Oh no, Monzo goes above and beyond. Imagine this, you've just bought a gelato in Italy. Ping. Your phone lights up. The notification immediately shows you the amount in euros and the equivalent in your home currency, usually British pounds if you're a UK Monzo user, using MasterCard's real-time exchange rate. This is incredibly powerful. You instantly know exactly how much you're spending in your own money, without having to whip out a calculator or fumble with currency conversion apps. This transparency is invaluable for budgeting on the go. No more guessing, no more mental arithmetic, just clear, concise spending information right at your fingertips. This real-time conversion is a massive benefit, but it also helps you spot any discrepancies immediately. Did the vendor charge you more than you expected? The instant notification means you can address it on the spot, rather than discovering a problem days later when you check your statement. It's like having a personal finance assistant whispered directly into your ear with every purchase. Understanding exchange rates, no more guesswork. Beyond just showing you the converted amount, Monzo is completely transparent about the exchange rate it's using. Unlike many traditional banks that add hidden fees or markups to their exchange rates, Monzo passes on MasterCard's wholesale exchange rate directly to you. This means you're always getting a competitive rate, without any nasty surprises. When you receive that instant transaction notification, you'll often see a little detail about the exchange rate used for that specific transaction. This level of detail empowers you to understand exactly where your money is going and how much bang you're getting for your buck in any given country. It builds trust and reinforces Monzo's commitment to fair and transparent banking, especially when you're away from home. A detailed travel report, reflecting on your adventures and spending. Your Monzo travel notifications don't just stop at individual transactions. Once your trip concludes and you're back home, Monzo provides a comprehensive travel report right within the app. This is like a personalized spending summary of your entire adventure. This report will break down your spending by category, think food, transport, accommodation, entertainment, and so on. It will also show you how much you spent in total, converted back to your home currency, and often highlight how much you saved on foreign transaction fees compared to a traditional bank. This isn't just a neat feature, it's a powerful tool for financial reflection and planning. Want to know how much that unforgettable weekend in Barcelona really cost you? Monzo's travel report has you covered. This can be incredibly useful for future travel budgeting, helping you identify areas where you might have overspent or where you can save on your next adventure. Categorization and budgeting on the go, staying in control. Monzo's core budgeting features integrate seamlessly with your travel spending. When you receive a transaction notification, you can immediately categorize it. Monzo often intelligently suggests a category based on the merchant, but you have full control to change it or create custom categories like holiday food or souvenirs. This live categorization is crucial for maintaining control of your budget while traveling. You can set a budget for your entire trip or for specific categories, and Monzo will show you in real time how close you are to hitting your limits. Imagine setting a daily food budget for your trip. Every time you buy a meal, the notification pops up, and you see how much of your daily allowance you have left. This proactive approach helps you avoid overspending and ensures you stay on track financially, even when you're caught up in the excitement of exploring a new place. Furthermore, Monzo's pots feature becomes incredibly useful for travel. You can create a dedicated travel fund pot, or even separate pots for different aspects of your trip, like a flights pot, accommodation pot, or spending money pot. As you spend, you can link specific transactions to these pots, giving you an even clearer picture of your dedicated travel budget. This level of granular control is something you just don't get with most traditional banks. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.